Today I'll be reviewing this Monorail radio control vehicle. It takes two AA's and uses a 27 megahertz frequency. There's no way to change it. So if you're like me, I bought two of these and there's no way to separate the radio frequencies. Even says 27 megahertz on the back and bottom. There's no way to tell until you buy it. This takes a 9 volt for the remote, and then for the actual cart, it doesn't take three double A's. What does it say on the box? Okay, the box says 3 AAA's, which is incorrect. Actually, it only takes 2 AA's and one 9 volt. And so let's give this thing a spin. There's instructions about making sure there's no radio frequency obstruction, but it's pretty useless to me. Oh, turn it on with the switch over here. You just have to unscrew it to put in the batteries. The left side controls front, back, and the right side controls the directions. So you can see it's not too bad. Maybe we can check to see how far it goes. That might be a good question to see the distance. Let's see if we can make it all the way to the hallway. Right now it's not going straight. Darn. It's a little confusing. Down is left, up is right. And so that's the end of my range. It might be that my 9 volt is weak, but it can't go that far. That's maybe like 5 yards. Now it's really choppy. So, range isn't that great, but that's fine. Maybe it's just the 9 volt. It's old. There's no way to turn off the RC, this remote. You have to just take out the batteries, and it has screws, so that's not very convenient. One nice thing is it can go on carpet. You see there? When I tried this with cheap batteries, it lasts about 10 minutes. With duracells, about 15 minutes of non-stop usage. You can see the quality is quite nice. My kids love how it looks. But they stopped playing with it after 2 weeks. And so, try it on here. Let me try it on this. It's felt perfectly fine. And that's it. Would I recommend this toy? Probably not. If my kids stop using it after 2 weeks, I can't imagine other kids playing with this toy and getting tired of it.